Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you gaps tutorial for run defense. In the beginning, let's go to skills trainer and now go to run defense. Go to gaps.
Hey, run!
And now, gaps are the spaces between offside offensive line. They begin with the A gap on either side of the center and extended all the way to the outside of the tight end. When facing a run play, defensive players have gaps they are responsible for. This is determined by the direction of the run. By controlling the gaps, the defense is able to stop runs before they get stuck. Hold LT and X or B to view the gap adjustment if the run goes left or right.
Hey, easy! Ralph! 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 Ralph!
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.